Okay students, now today we are going our third day for the revision session, set theory in the third part. So we are going ahead same as our question number 1. If set A is given twice n belongs to natural, and the set B is something kn but n belongs to natural, then asking is a proper subset of A, then asking what is the k. This question depend on only and only options, students. So you write down the options. First option 2, 3, 4, 5. See what the meaning for here proper subset. B is a proper subset of A. Means B every element present in A. Means B is here, A is here. Every elements are present in A. So A I know that 2 multiples. I will show that, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that like all. But B I go to according to my options. Yes, options I telling the C 4, because you apply a 4, you can get B is a 4n, n belongs to natural. Just try 4 multiples beta. So 4, 8, 12. Definitely these are present in the A. So that's why you fulfill that B subset A for only and only k equal to what? 4. And this is your answer C, done here. Write properly. And then after we moving ahead. Yes beta. No, that is a equal, no? If you 2 taking, then I want to beta subset, and 3 and 5 not exist. You are correct. If you 2 putting, then it is the same, no? They are equal sets. Equal different and subset different. Clear? Now second is the IMP. Let the set A access that 2y minus 1 y belongs to z, and set B access that 2y plus 1 y belongs to z, then dash 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 dash. This question also depend on options beta. So you will write first option A subset B, second B subset A, third both A and B, and D is A not equal B. This is not easy sum. I will explain deeply one by one. First I taking for the set A, but y belongs to z. For set A, y belongs to z. Z number you know, students. Integers 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, any. I start the x is equal to 2y minus 1. Start putting value y. If y 0, then x become 2y minus 1. It will be minus 1. If y 1, in general I putting a 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. So here then x become 2, but y is 1. It will be 1. If y is 2, then x become 2 with 2 minus 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. If y is equal to 3, then 2 with 3 minus 1, it is 6 minus 1, 5. You also take, students, one of the negative numbers. So negative number also I put it here. If y is equal to minus 1, then x is a 2 with minus 1 minus 1. Your answer is 2 with minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. Same if you taking y is equal to minus 2, then x become 2 with minus 2 minus 1, minus 5. Indirectly, your set A is ready, beta. I just write down the few numbers, not the all. Your answer is coming that, see, -5, -3, -1, 0 coming. If you taking the further number, then it is possible to hear 1, 3, 5. That's your set A. Now I will explain to set B. Same is, and then after I will decide it which option is correct here. So same explanation for our set B elements. Here also I taking the Z because the given that, so for set B, similarly, what is the given? X is equal to 2y plus 1. Start the systematically. If y 0, then x become 2 with 0 plus 1. My answer is 1. If y 1, then 2 with 1 plus 1. Answer is 3. If I taking y minus 1, then 2 is minus 1 plus 1. It will be minus 1. One more. If y 2, then x is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. It will be 5. One more I take. If y is equal to minus 2. Now ending this sum, it will be minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. It means indirectly this and this are, I think so, same. If I take one more number for your better understanding, 3. Then y is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1, 7. And minus 3 taking then minus 5. It means my set B is also elements I taking to here minus 5, minus 3, next minus 1, 1, 3, 5, 7. This also further moving. If I take further numbers in from Z, indirectly A elements and B elements what? Same. So which option I will take here in the ABCD? So A subset B and B subset A. Either you will take also A equal B, but A equal B not given in the options. So which option I take? I take the option number C. Therefore C is your correct answer. What? Both A and B, beta. That's why I write down that. Indirectly here A equal B also true, but option is not given. So according to option, I will act my final solutions to that way. In the third, yes, this also very interesting questions and many time asking in exam. Today I taking to big questions. 4k plus 1 oblique k belongs to Z. 6k minus 1 oblique k belongs to Z. And A intersection B, which is nk, belongs plus m. nk plus m, k belongs to Z. Then asking here, find out the value of your m and the n for respectively. First n asking, by mistake I written n and m respectively, and options are printed 2 2, 4 3, next 6 4, and last students 12 5. Very easy. Apply the value for the you taking very shortcutly. If you calculate 6 and 4, I want to this nk intersection sets. You know intersection sets means they have to both common. So what type of the LCM here? 4 and 6. Can you guess? LCM of 4 and 6, beta. LCM of 4 and 6 is how much? It's exactly 12. So your numerical done. This data is your 12k. This option is clearly over that. And numerical also finished. But if you going to number wise, then it's a very lengthy. That why also I explain you. But here are 12 and 5 done. Therefore, your option is clearly 12 and 5. I go to set wise. 4k plus 1. Shortcut I explain. Again I use see 4k and 6k. Take it both LCM and direct approach the answer this 12. Other LCM not cover. See here according to option. Here put it if k 0 then 4k plus 1. 4 and 1 answer is 5. Next if k1 then 4k plus 1. 4 and 1 answer is 0. By mistakes 1 that is 5. Now if k is 2 4k plus 1 4 with 2 plus 1 9. So which type of number is increase here students? If k is 3 4k plus 1 4 of 3 plus 1 12 and 1 13. You check here every steps have 4 increase. One more, you take the decreasing number. If k is equal to minus 1 then 4k plus 1 4 of minus 1 plus 1 will be minus 3. Next if I k minus 2 4k plus 1 4 of minus 2 plus 1 minus 7. In short, set A is ready. I explain here method wise now. In shortcut wise students your numerical is done that. But if you options wise not going, then I method apply. My set A is ready for that. Some elements are in the negative minus 7, minus 3, 1, 5, 9, 13. Look at that. How many numbers are increased from that? Yes, every have 4 increase. Now go to set B. Set B I have 6k minus 1. Here also putting down if k0 then 6k minus 1. You easily approach find out minus 1. Next if k1 6k minus 1 you will get minus 7. One more if k2. This question if you asking 2 marks then you write down these all respectively steps, students. 6k minus 1 6 of 2 minus 1. Here 1 put it, no? Sorry. So 6 minus 1 here 5 coming. Now if you 2 putting then 6 to the 12. 12 minus 1 11. One more if k is equal to 3 then 6k minus 1 6 3 is 18 minus 1 17. Now I take some negative numbers in the present of z. If k minus 1 k minus 2 and define your respectively answers. 6 of minus 1 will be minus 7. 6 of minus 2 with minus 1 will be minus 13. Now here also you will check your set B is the going for the negative numbers minus 13, minus 7, then after minus 1, 5, then after 11, 17. Look at that. How many numbers are gapping there? Each number are gapping there 6, 6. And this and that you will now check the common intersections. Yes, common intersection also I just further write down 5 and 9 4, next 4 13, next 4 then 13 and 4 added 17. Again 4 you added then 21. Again 4 you added then 25. Similarly here just you going to 5, 11, 17. Further going to again 6, 6 added then you are 23 and you just check intersection set. Which elements is a commonly intersection? Definitely 5 is common, one of the. Secondly common is the 9 not, 11 not, 17 also common that. This side also common taking. You will check. It is a 12 gapping. That's why you also write down this answer is true now. 12k plus 5. And that's your final answer. Third one also done here. Now after that I going to question number 4. Now continue fourth one. In the fourth, let A is a set 1 2 and B set is a minus 2 but 1 is open bracket. Then A union B is dash 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 dash. Option given minus 2 to 2, minus 2 to 2, C open bracket minus 2 to 2, and last D minus 2 to 2. Very easy. First of all, you draw the figure for the set A. This is your set A. A number I include, B number include, that are the between A and B, and these are intervals to all shaded portions. You write down the shaded part between A and B. These are, and that's your set A. Now secondly same, but set B, here close bracket minus 2 and open bracket 1, but 1 is not counted there, only 2 is counted, and the between is all values are shaded. So surely here between number is minus 1 coming, 0 coming, and that is 1, and 2 is here. Here of the 0, here of the 3. Now decided what is the common between both drawing. And union, sorry, union asking, no? Question is that, union asking. So A union B beta, what is the highest? This highest or this highest? You also taking further numbers to back side, minus 1 and minus 2. So this part and this part, if you union, minus 2 is the highest. So close bracket minus 2, comma, and right side, which are the highest? Yes, highest is 2, not the 1. So that is your here 2, close bracket, minus 2 to 2. This is your answer. Union asking then. Same value if you asking the intersections, extra here I explain. A intersection B. So which is the common between that? Here close bracket 1. Here also close bracket 1 present? No, that's not present. So we not write down A intersection B in this sums particularly asking. Only here I explain to A union B according to questions. Now continue. Fifth one. Fifth also same, just number is changed. A set minus 1 to 2 close bracket, and B set minus 2 to 1 open bracket. Yes, here asking A intersection B, and options are printed close bracket minus 1 to 1, open bracket minus 1 to 1, open bracket minus 1 but close bracket 1, and lastly D close bracket minus 1 but open bracket 1, and that's your answer is done here. Here also I show the figure for the setting. Close bracket minus 1 means here you make the dark line minus 1 with the dark positions line to 2, and between all shaded portions, just like that, minus 1 including, 2 is including, and that's your set A. Here by mistake I written set B, write down first that, and now secondly these are minus 2 to close bracket. I mean the intervals minus 2 are counted and 1 is open bracket. Here is 2, and the between all numbers are counted. That one. Yes, these intervals. Close bracket minus 2 is means minus 2 is a counted part, 1 is not counted, and that is your set B. And I want to both intersections. So both common intersection shading, I just decided A intersection B, and that's your drawing represent to last answer. So which is the common here? Here minus 2 and here 2. Definitely here is one something that, so left hand side minus 1 close bracket, here minus 2, minus 1 is here. So common interval is what present to start, your minus 1 started. Yes, here your minus 1 is a close bracket, both are present here, and in the way 2 up to close, but here only 1 up to close, so that's your 1 open bracket, not counted the one, because here not counted, here counted, and not more than 1 going. That's your answer to close bracket 1 minus 1 and open bracket 1, means this answer is true. D answers. So A intersection B is region close bracket minus 1, but 1 is open bracket. So you properly draw the figure, students, then you easily understood what I telling that the solutions. Now question 6. In the sixth one, A and B present given if set A 1 2 3 4. Yes beta. Yes, yes, say beta, what doubt? Say. This one? What doubt? Say beta. Say no, what are doubts? In this drawing? Or in this drawing? Say beta, where should doubts? Otherwise after class I doubt you're clear. Okay beta? 12:50 after, sorry, 12:50 I will clear your doubts. Now write the next. Otherwise you say what's your doubts? Which one? This one? Who is he telling the doubts? Students, what's so very easy. Here you will just write the formula P of A intersection P of B, which is quickly P of A intersection B. That's already short formula. So I just only calculate A intersection B. In the both common intersection is 2. Next 4 and take that P of A intersections B. So P means power set. Power set of A intersection B means here null set. 1 of the 2, 1 of the 4 and 1 of the 2 4. That's your answers for the question asking PA intersection PB. Next, moving towards 7th questions. 7th also beta very interesting. For A and B belongs to PU and A dash is null set, and also B is, yes beta, then A union B whole dash is dash dash dash. I telling you beta, I explain you after my class, okay? Don't worry. After that 11th English Gujarati medium class. So 11:50, 12:30 I explain your doubts. Okay beta? Otherwise you say your doubts. Why are you confused? Till not I roughing this. Say, what's your doubts? Why are you disturbing me? A or B, asking that A union B hold S, and A union B is just define B is equal to null set. So A dash is a null set, therefore A dash, the dash, you known that A. So here A dash, I mean null set dash is a A. A dash is I put it here null set, and null set dash is a U. So A is equal to U. Now this A I put it here in the parts of A union B. Now A union B hold as A is a U, U union B. Here U union B dash. Now U and B both if you union, it is a universal set, and universal set dash is a null set. And that's your answers. You tick the options A. Now continue. Similarly, question number 8. X intersection X union Y dash. Now same is going here also, options tick mark. One of the U, X, Y, and one of the null set. So same as I explained. Hold dash means going to your De Morgan's rule. De Morgan's rule. So X intersection, here X dash union, write down intersection Y dash. This is your De Morgan's rule. Already explained you A union B hold dash, A dash intersection B dash, same as that. Now both merge, X intersection X dash intersection Y dash, these are the dash by the associative property, associative rule. And this is your known X intersection X dash is a null set, and null set intersection any set is a null set. That's my final answer. Null set intersection Y dash is a null set, and that's why taking my options is a D tick marking. Next, continue. Question number 9. Ninth also in the same way going. For the disjoint sets, for B, C belongs to P of U, and B dash and C dash are disjoint sets. So A union B union C is dash 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 dash. That's your options given: null set A, B and U. Okay students, first read out that B dash and C dash are disjoint. Disjoint means both common intersection set is null set. This definitions wise I will explain first. If B dash and C dash are disjoint sets, so B dash and C dash both common intersection is nothing. Yes, both intersection set is null set, and that's why this property I utilized by the again De Morgan's rule. De Morgan's rule, it is B union C whole dash is a null set, and B union C whole dash is null set. Therefore you can create your B union C. Yes, therefore B union C whole dash is actually nothing. It is U minus B union C. U minus B union C is a null set. As well as property this, you property known that A dash is what? U minus A. Same as I write down this is your A. Consider A dash, so U minus A. And U minus B, just I subtract that, you easily cover this your answers. So that's why B minus B union C is a null set minus universal. Universal minus null set is equal to B union C, and U minus null set is a U, and that's why this B union C I will put down this value in the way of B union C. So finally you will cover your answers here. So what's your telling your questions? A union B union C, A same as union, and B union C is a U. and U union any set which is the U, and that's why your answer is D. Again I explain, don't worry students. B dash and C dash are disjoint sets. That's why both intersection set is null sets. And both way apply your De Morgan's rule. So B union C whole dash, null set is same as written. And any dash complement you subtract from U minus. And therefore your B union C is covered to U minus null set. It is a U, and thus U means universal sets. I apply to A union B union C. Next, continue. Question number 10. Today only 9 questions done, students. Don't worry, I will take to 10th one more. 10th is a very easy question I take. For the A set, number of A elements 20, number of B elements 30, and number of U elements 80, and A intersection B is a 10. Find out number of A dash intersection B dash. Number of A dash intersection B dash. It means you go to again your Venn diagrams. Set A, number of A is 20, number of B is 30, and the intersection sets is given that 10. So very easily you find out 10 is subtract from 20, it is 10, 30 subtract from 10, that is it 20, and this total is of 40. And universal set you also known how much? 80. Now 80 minus 40 you will cover to 40 this question answer. Don't worry, I will go to explain by the method wise. A dash intersection B dash apply by De Morgan's rule, A union B whole dash, which is U minus number of U minus number of A union B. Number of U I known, which is 80, and here apply NA plus NB minus N of A intersection B, and apply all values one by one. N of A is a 20, next N of B is a 30, and N of A intersection B is a only just 10, and calculate the answers. So 80, here 50 minus 10, 40. We'll do 40. These are the elements, they are not covered to A and B sets. Only belongs to A and A 10, intersection 10, and only B is 20. So your final answer, A dash and B dash intersection will the 40. Okay students, today I stop this class and next day I continue further. Okay, bye.